Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. Before we proceed with the tutorial for today, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. So let's jump into the hit that we are working on today. It is called Edge Entity Extraction Annotation. I found this hit app both in OF as well as CW. There is a guideline. You can pull it up, but this one should be easy. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the quality instead of going to the guidelines because there's a lot through it. But this should be an easy hit app. Um, for this one, we need to identify product information on web page. Uh, just have to copy the text from the web page, and the web page is going to be right here. And for this one, it is. By the way, if the information is not available, you can put -1. All right. Otherwise, copy it and then paste it on this field under product name or what have you. So for this one, it is asking for a product name, what the product is called, usually in heading. Heading will be this. So let's give this one a shot. So it's a product name rather. I believe this is going to be the product name here. Let's copy it and paste it here and submit it. This one is again a really easy hit. Product code. There is a problem with the website, uh, but let's go ahead and scroll down and see if we can find the information. I think we couldn't, but the problem is this is the qualification. We are unable to go ahead and skip this part. So I'm gonna go how to. I do not know how to bypass it. If I try to click on skip again, it's not possible. So for this one, I'm just gonna put -1. Oh, we got it right. Now moving on to the next is product manufacturer. Again, this is foreign. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this one, but well, it's not working. There is definitely a problem with the website. So for this, I am going to go ahead and put here -1. Well, I can't do anything about it, guys. Let's just agree to this one. But I'm just showing you the thought process on how to work on this particular head. Product name, definitely this one. And click on submit. All right, moving on to the next is product number. Let's scroll. Let me scroll down here. This one is the product number. Copy it and paste it here. Mm, we got it wrong. Two wrong answer, guys. So be careful. We failed the qualification on the first round. I think we do have another shot. Uh, the problem is there is a lot of issues with this set, like the web page does not load at all, and you cannot skip the quali. So this example, it's taking a lot of time to load, and if you click on accept cookies, it does not respond. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, wait up. I'm gonna go ahead and put here -1. Submit it. I expect the error. I'm not sure if it's a broken hit, but I passed this one in OF while doing the same, process. Uh, let's see. Like this page again does not load. I am going to refresh it. Just do a reload. Hope we get a different hit. Unfortunately, no. Okay, it loaded. Product code. I am gonna choose this. It's foreign, guys. Yep, we got it right. Now, moving on to the next is product name. It is Biofinity multifocal or multifocal. All right, let's move on to the next product name. Do we have the product name here? I think this one. I'm gonna go with that. Copy it and paste it here. Yep, and click submit. Uh, Moving on to the next is product code. Do we have the code available here? Oh man, this is foreign. I think this is the product code. I'm gonna give this one a shot. Yeah, it's foreign, so it's difficult. But I'm gonna bet on this. Okay. All right. Product price. I think there is a problem with this website, but okay, I found it at the bottom. You have to scroll down a bit. There is definitely a problem with how this hit displays websites. It's like a bait, guys, for you to fail, not for you to pass. Anyways, a product manufacturer. Um, Epson, definitely. It is, what is this? A cartridge? All right, we got it right. I hope we pass this on the second round. A product manufacturer. Um, it's Cooper Vision. Yeah, I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna just going to type it. Cooper Vision. I doubt my answer, but I'm gonna hit submit. Okay, I got it right. Moving on to the next. Oh, forgot to click on OK there. All right, guys. While waiting for the hit to load, we have a Facebook group called ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. For you to join, you have to subscribe to our tutorial channel and answer the relevant membership questions before we can welcome you there. And let's jump back into the head. It is product number. Oh my God. This one is. Is it German? Yeah, it is German. Now, I'm gonna have a problem with this because I do not see the product number. Uh, yep, I do not see the product number here. I am going to go with -1. Whew. All right, that's fine. I think we got 3 mistakes already. I doubt I will pass it, but I'll finish the video and the recording. For this, ooh, what happened? Oh my God. Shoo. Let me go ahead and go back and then just click on qualify again. All right, product manufacturer. Uh, oh my goodness, what is this? Mercedes Benz? G. All right, I'm not sure what the product manufacturer is. Let's go with product details. Uh, I think it's GDW. Let's try this one. I doubt my answer. I am going to reload the page. I want to get a new hit or a different one, something a lot easier. So, product price, this one. Click on. All right, copy it and paste it. Yep, got this one right. Okay, we passed the qualification, thankfully. Again, the hit is called Edge Entity Extraction Annotation. It does not pay a lot, but it is something good to work on, especially if the marketplace is dry. It's paying 0.014 cents, and they got around 22K hits available as of this recording. Again, thank you for watching. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. Thank you all for your support. See you on the next video. Thank you.